All right, welcome back to another episode of NC Hammer Crypto. My name's Neil, where we keep technical analysis short and sweet. We're going to use XRP and XCN at the end of this video to kind of use technical analysis to see how people are watching these. But starting off with Spell, the meme coin we were talking about, we did see it touch this black upward trend line. We had a little bit of support. If you were in my one-on-one trading or in my signal channel, we had an entry right about here, and with our profit on our scalp, it was about 39% on that scalp. We are trying to push up over the 200 EMA. We do want to see it close above that before we start doing some heavier investing to watch this push up and break around 0.0019. If you own Bitcoin, now would be a good time, not financial advice, but to buy core and stake core with your Bitcoin. It is at a very low point. It's only 41 cents right now, but it has had an all-time high above $6, almost $7. And if you were to buy, say right now at 0.41, we'll do a rough estimate, up to $6, that's about a 1,500% gain. With XCN, we saw a 2,000% gain, so we know this is possible. We mainly want to see it break this downward trend line. And today was where they had core staking Ignite Season 3. So definitely, I believe core and Bitcoin will start to move upwards. And if you stake them both together, you can get some good APR. DNT is something to look at. It's very low for what it could be. Its high is around a quarter, just over a quarter. And we are at a penny, or 2 pennies, I guess. It's almost well over 15% or 15x gain, I believe. I think I said that incorrectly. Rough estimate. 800% gain, so about 8x. DNT is very rapid, very volatile. As you can see what happened here on March 10th to 12th, it went from 2 cents all the way up to 19 cents in a matter of a day or two. So keep DNT on your radar. There's also BNT. Don't get them confused. BNT is at a very low point. We do want to see it hold above this black trend line, but it as well has a very high price point. This one's showing $9.24, and we are currently at $39.81. Did have this major retracement right here that you can see, and with major retracement it had the major pull up. We are testing sideways, doing some consolidation here, but I believe we will start seeing this trickle upwards and then push back up to its all-time high. Looking at H bar being something that is capital gains tax free, we want to see this hold above the 200 EMA. We could see it drop down into this fair value gap of 12 to 14 cents. Which is a pretty hefty drop, but you want to keep an eye on that when you're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had its support testing, and if we're looking at the Fibonacci ratio, we could see it push back up to the 95,000. If this 200 EMA becomes stronger, we could see it pushing down to 73 to 70,000, so just keep that in mind. LCX is still trailing downwards. I believe it's still doing the cup and handle, but it could break this trend line and then push back up and then start taking off. So keep that in mind. There's Doge. Doge is at a very low price point as well. They say it could hit $4 as shown in the news earlier in this week. But we could see this being the bottom for Doge. So I would say if you're doing a swing trade, it could be a very nice potential swing trade. Now going into XCN, what everybody's been waiting for, major cup and handle still forming. We could see this going like this, as it is still in the fair value gap within this yellow and orange area. This is strong support, and it is over the black downward trend line, so we could see this start pushing up, and we wanted to see it do it slowly. We don't want any rapid movements, which could cause the market to not be as healthy. And looking at XRP is holding up very well in consolidation, and we can see that I made the head and shoulders. If we do something like this, we could see a potential bullish pendant forming, something like that, and moving sideways to push up and out of there. They say April, I think it was April 16th or 12th, somewhere in there, April 16th to 12th, is going to be some major news whenever the SEC finally drops its case. So keep an eye out for that. However, I think over here around June and July, you're going to see some more confirmation. And I believe all the way in November is the possibility for the peak of XRP. So keep all these dates in mind. Maybe even October potentially. But November, say around there. So we still got quite a few days. It's about 258 days left in the bull market, in my opinion, but we could see this continuation as XRP is very valuable. And I always recommend using Grass if you have internet. It's free money, free airdrops. They're going to be doing their airdrop points, giving you Grass tokens at the end of Epoch 7. So keep that in mind. And you can also stake it for anywhere from 35 to 42% APR on their Grass Foundation. I always recommend MEXC for the trading platform as it has the lowest trading fees, and Coinbase. Coinbase is giving out free tokens right now just for learning about the coins. That's it for today. I will see you guys on the next one.